capturing her new model, Nat. Nat is a model known for her love of capturing herself through lens. Her self-portraits are a blend of raw beauty and personal expression, as she skillfully captures her unique charm in every shoot, whether she's in natural light or more dramatic setting. Nat brings out her vibrant personality through her photography. Her passion for being both in front and behind the camera allows her to experiment with angles, moods, and styles, making every picture a true reflection of her creative vision. Confident and playful, Nat embraces every morning, turning it into art. Hope you like Nat, and I'll see you soon with new models. Bye!